A professional headshot is the best way to make a great first impression, no matter the career. So today, we're going to learn how to transform your photo into one that will make any hiring manager say, now that's a person I'd give a salary to. All right, so first step, open Photoshop. Next, download a photo of yourself that you like. Any photo will work. Okay, maybe not any photo. Okay, yes. Now this one's good. To open it up in Photoshop, just drag and drop it. Beautiful. Now, let's make it more professional by changing the background. All right, first off, make sure your layer is unlocked by clicking this little padlock here. Now, with your layer selected, in the Properties tab, under Quick Actions, you'll see this button called Remove Background. Just click it and say, wow, magic. Wow, magic. Now, depending on your photo, you may need to clean up the edges. Just click the little box that appeared next to your layer, and up here, click Select and Mask. Now, with this brush selected, paint over any extras you'd like to remove and click OK. Now, let's say you want to touch up some unwanted things. Just click the Spot Healing tool and click on what it is you'd like to remove. I think it's spinach. And voila, gone. Now that the background is removed and you're spinach-free, let's add a simple gradient as the backdrop so recruiters can focus on your charming and hireable face. To make a gradient, just click this little half-filled circle here at the bottom of your Layers panel. Then click Gradient and select from tons of options in this drop-down here. And click OK. Move the layer below your photo, and you're done. To export it, go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, and just like that, you're like 1,000 times more hireable. Don't quote me on that stat.